Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Wristwatch Wednesday. I wanted to do a quick update on my Citizen Echo Drive. I think this is an E812. I'll have to look again. I can't remember the model number. I'm really bad about stuff like that. But this has been working great since we got the full refurbish done. Got everything that I needed to know to fix it. Got that done. I do have some scratches on this crystal I'm going to have to work on buffing out because I've been wearing this one quite a bit over the last year or so. The perpetual calendar has worked great. Since the first time I set it up, it's gone through all the different months with the months in being different and kept track. I just have no radio control to update for daylight savings time or anything like that. So I will have to reset my time every time we fall back or spring forward. But it's been great. It's worked out great. That $20 battery I bought off of eBay worked out great. That problem where I had to get everything lined up before it would actually charge and work. I'll link those videos below and maybe in a card here or at the end, put the whole playlist. But everything's going great. Next up for this, we're gonna shop for a different band. This band was one that came with it in the lot. I like this band. It's okay, but I think we're gonna try something different on it now and make this more of a daily wear. Solar battery, everything, solar charging, all that good stuff's working great. Can't complain about it. Great watch. That's all we have for today, guys. Just a quick update on it. I'll see if I can throw some of the old shots on the wrist in here and everything from after we fixed it so you can get a better look at it. But going great. Going to keep this one. Keep moving on with it. Even though it's scratch and scuff, I really like it. We'll see you next time, guys. Thanks for watching.